Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over how to get into HackTheBox. This isn't my method of getting in. I actually had to look it up, but all original credit goes to Soumya Ranjan Mohanty. I just simply could not figure out how to get in. I found the invite API by myself, I just couldn't piece it together. This video isn't meant to be a definitive solution. There's numerous ways to get into HackTheBox. This is just one of them, and this video is meant for people who were stuck on it and they tried everything in the book by themselves and they just can't figure out how to do it. So this is for all of you. So it's meant to help you get started. It's not meant to be, it's just meant to be a video version of the tutorial I read. So I'll obviously put all credits in the description for where I got this information. So with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get started. HackTheBox is an online platform which allows you to test and improve your penetration testing skills and exchange ideas and methodologies with thousands of people in the security field. It contains various challenges ranging from easy to hard. When you first open HackTheBox, it will prompt you with an invite. You're going to have to hack to figure out a way to get in and somehow get the invite code yourself. This is usually for experienced users because any normie would most likely have to find a solution for it. Like me. You could try to use a cross-site scripting attack on the website, but it won't work, so please don't try. Anyway, in this video I will show you how to get that invite key for yourself, but I highly advise you to try to figure it out on your own before watching this. This isn't a definitive answer like I've stated before. This is just meant to help people if they think they absolutely cannot do it. If you need to watch this video and you're one of those people, let us proceed. Starting off, you will need to go to HackTheBox's invite page located at hackthebox.eu/invite. You will see a message saying, "Hi, feel free to hack your way in." Open up Inspect Element and look for a JavaScript file titled /js/inviteapi.min.js. Copy this, then paste it into your search bar. Make sure to add hackthebox.eu in front of what you pasted. Go ahead and press enter and you will see a whole bunch of JavaScript files and functions. There's one file called make invite code. Let's copy this for later. We will need it. Open up Inspect Element again and go to the developer console. Paste the file we copied earlier into here and add the corresponding parentheses in front of it. As you can see, we have done it correctly because we just got 200 points and it says success. Press on the triangle and it will show more information, including a piece of data in a JSON file. As you can see, it says this data is encoded with base64, so we will need to decrypt it. So make sure to copy it. Now we will need to go to a website called base64decode.org. This is where we are going to decode the data. Paste the data into the text box and click decode. As you can see, we didn't get any results from this, so we will need to use the curl utility to make an HTTP post request. Also, if any of you want a curl tutorial, please tell me in the comments. It would be useful to know. So you're going to want to fire up your terminal. I'm using WSL, which is a Windows on Linux subsystem for Windows. It basically is like running Linux on Windows. Once your terminal is up, you will need to type the following command: curl-xpost www.hackthebox.eu/api/invite/generate. Once this command has been typed, you will get another string of data, which also is base64 encoded. So we will need to go back to the decoding website again. Paste it into the box once more, click decode, and voila, we got the invite code. Now we can finally go back to the invite web page and paste this into the text box. Congratulations, you are now a member of HackTheBox, but first you'll need to create an account. So create one, go to your email and verify it's you, and come back when you're done. I provided a brief tutorial about this in the next few seconds if you don't know how to do this. Now that you're a member of HackTheBox, you can participate in various hacking challenges and improve your hacking skills. But first, we need to fire up our Kali Linux virtual machine in order to download the VPN HackTheBox gave us. To do this, start Kali Linux and configure OpenVPN by typing sudo apt-get install OpenVPN. I've already have it installed, so it doesn't really do much. So once installed, download the file that HackTheBox gives you by going to the Access tab on the left-hand side of the web page and clicking the Here hyperlink to the download. Click Save File and then click OK. Now that that's done, it comes as an OVN file, so we will need to run openvpn-config. But first, let's navigate to our downloads directory to find the file. Now we're going to copy this into our home directory by typing cp and the file name, and a dash for the home directory. Now we're going to see the directory again, and as you can see, we have copied it successfully. Now we're going to make a new document called VPN, and we're going to move it into this document. Now we're going to navigate into the directory, and as you can see, we have successfully moved it into our new directory. Now we need to configure the VPN by typing openvpn-config and the file name right here. The VPN will try to initialize itself automatically, so you don't have to worry about this. If it's successful, it'll say initialization sequence completed. If you're not sure if your VPN is working, just type ifconfig to see if your IP address has changed. Well, that's it for this video. If you all enjoyed this video, remember to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Also consider checking out my other channel, That One Introvert, if you want to see my other content that's not related to hacking, such as gaming and more. Peace.